Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Planning with J.A.M. I'm J.A.M. Hello. Today we're going to do part 2 of unboxing some new creative stuff. Ta-da! Earlier in the week, I unboxed some 12 by 12 pirate themed scrapbook paper, and I stated that I couldn't decide which one I was going to keep, that I ordered more than one because I couldn't see the full-size sheets inside the Amazon website. So I thought we'd take a peek together, and then you guys can tell me. I'll show you the one from earlier in the week, and you can tell me which one you think I should keep and use. So this is nice. I mean, you have to cut it out. I'm not really fond of that, but I love this. I love this. There she blows, buccaneer, walk the plank, land ho, 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 yo ho, and a bottle of rum, shiver me timbers, scurvy dog, blimey, scallywags, timbers, skeleton crew, ahoy matey. Yeah, that one is super, super fun. And there was a bigger version of this in the other pack, like this vintagey stripe, which is okay, not totally my favorite. I'm not a favorite of dark things in my, but obviously with pirates, it's going to be kind of dark. I love the maps. That's super cute. The polka dots. And I like polka dots, don't get me wrong, but this is dark. I like this, and this is kind of what I wanted to see, because I wanted to see how that page would fit into a planner spread. And I think I would lose part of it, either the A or part of the chest. So that's good to know. Okay. More stripes. This is pretty. Kind of dark still, but pretty. And I would have the same issue with doing this. I would lose part of it. I'm not sure about that one. This is okay. And that is that book. Pirates, pink pirates. Let's see. I mean, I think this is really pretty. Let's see what's inside. Well, that's cute. I don't know how I would use it quite yet, but we're just starting. You get several pages of each one. And then this is cool. You could cut these or use it as a backdrop for boxes. Interesting. I think I'm in love with this one, but again, I would lose most of it unless I used it in my big journal. Some bigger square ones. This is the one that I think is so gorgeous. I just love that pink background with the sail, sail. It's not a sailboat. Frigate? I don't know. It's a pirate ship. This is similar. Where did it go? There. Similar. This one might be a little easier to use because I could probably push this all the way over there and I wouldn't necessarily have to worry about the skull. And it looks like the whole boat would fit. So this one might be good. These are pretty. These could be fun along. How big is the sidebar? Let me see. It's too big for the sidebar. But I probably could get most of the chest and that, most of it, I think. It could work. I could make that work. I'm thinking right now, I've already like thinking I could mount this onto white sticker paper and make these into stickers and write my plans on here. I wanna test it out if I can write on this, but I think I'm gonna keep this one. I really am digging this. I'm digging it. This could be kind of like a torn and like, because I know I would cut off that. That could be fun. This is cool. I like this one too. I think this is the same as a different one, but in different colors. So, yeah. And hey, it has lines already, and it looks like a box already. I think it would fit better in the big, but you can use any size sticker anywhere. All right, I have to do it because I know I'm keeping this one. I love to write with my Precise V5. Oh, it doesn't rub off. Yay! Yeah, this one is definitely, I'm keeping. I'm not so sure about this one. There are some that I like, but I don't really feel like the way that the pages are, I would be able to really utilize. As much as I like this, and I could see making, you know, using this space, it just would get cut off, and that would be no fun. And I just, yeah, other than this one piece of paper, I mean, this I love. If I could just have one of these sheets, just one of these sheets, I'd be happy. But it doesn't come that way, does it? No, it doesn't. Or I would have just bought that page to begin with. Okay, so now the question is, this is a definite yes, definitely keeping. Now the question is, am I going to send it back? This one? This one has the cool stickers. These stickers are so cool. And I like some of this paper pack. But I'm probably but I've already probably decided to send back the cheapest one and the most expensive one. Because there's just too many big graphics in this one that I wouldn't be able to use. Although there are some that are absolutely darling that I would use. And I know for a fact that the pink is not going to fit in my big happy planner at all. So that's kind of a bummer. I read this. It is a cute little story. It is fictional, but it is a cute story. But again, I can't plan over top of it if I wanted to read the story again. Oh, did I show you what's on the back? Just bigger ones. Really big ones. Shark-infested waters. I'm almost tempted to keep this because my grandson likes sharks. Or at least he did. Who knows, you know, with every year they change their mind. I totally love this, but there's no way, it's not planner friendly. And that's why I bought this, was I wanted to use it in my planner, not necessarily for scrapbooking. So this was the most expensive with the stickers. And I want the stickers. I don't want the paper. So, I don't know. I guess this one is going to go back, and this one. But this one doesn't have any maps, really. No real maps like that one. Or... it's so hard to decide. Like, I would just like that page. Just that page. And this page. Okay, 2 pages. But the rest I'm not fond of. Well, I like this. It doesn't work. Okay, so you tell me which ones you think you would like to see a planner spread made with. Pink, small pirates, or large 12 by 12 pirates. Let me know in the comments. I hope that you like this little open box thing. I don't do these often. I don't normally buy a whole bunch of and this is why I could send back the big one, because I do have pirate stickers already from Millie's Prints, and I'm going to be featuring her, and she's going to be featuring me in an upcoming video. So, till then, like and subscribe, leave your vote for me so I can tally them up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.